We're in a few museums, including the Transit Museum. I like that. Oh, but Natural History Museum was on there. We did that. So there we go. Roosevelt Island was on there. We did that. Thursday was Fifth at 8. Friday was Cat's Deli, if not Chinatown or Bagels. Tour, and then I said maybe Roosevelt Island after. That's what we were doing. And then we'll be dinner at 8:30. I sent you guys an abridged version. Yes. Saturday brunch with Bill's family, show with Bill's family, and then I was like Saturday evening dinner. We could do Chelsea Market at 57. We can hang out Lower East Side. That would be like a walk back. Yeah. And then Sunday I was like brunch, and I said I had museum at Central Park.
This is Brooklyn Patrick at local train. The next stop is Broadway, Lafayette Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I think it's 3 stops. 3 stops transfer, and then another 3 stops. If that helps you guys too. You'll be good. You have to have your luggage, and it's harder to You've done that now, yeah. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to have to, but you do have to know too. I think it's just as easy. No. And what I remember is that there's usually a few, like, it's all New Jersey transit, but they call them different things. Well, all of these. Don't look a little bit.
This is Broadway, Lafayette Street. Transfer to Railroad Street 6D. This is an accessible station. The elevator is quite on the platform. This is Brooklyn Patrick at local train. The next stop is 2nd Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I don't know what it's like. It almost happened. We were so close. But yeah, that's it's not the start or finish, it's when you're like right now. What is she gonna say? Remember stopping.
Hello everyone. The New York City Police Department would like to remind you that backpacks and other large containers are subject to rapid search by the police. Thank you for driving.
This is 2nd Avenue. Transfer to Railroad Street.
You could also go for the shower at night too if you want to. She's gonna be really good writing.
This is Brooklyn Patrick is Delancey Street, Essex Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I guess it's that, I'll do that. Yeah, you guys do.
This is Delancey Street, Essex Street.
Transfer is available to the J and M trains. Transfer is also available to the M14 Select bus service.
This is Rutgers Hour F local train. The next stop is East Broadway.